Hello, good morning children. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Yeah, I hope all are fine, safe and happy at home. Yes, yeah, you may be wondering why ma'am is talking through the phone. Yes, any guesses? Yeah, you guessed it right. From today, we are starting our online classes. You're all happy? Yes? Even I'm feeling very happy, children. Okay, before we start our online classes, let us pray to God. Now, everybody, join your hands. Close your eyes. Shall I sing the prayer song? You need to sing along with me, children. Yeah, come on. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Slowly open your eyes. Yes. Shall we sing one more time? Please, everybody, join your hands again. Yes. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Shall I sing now? Yes. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Open your eyes. Yes. Thumbs up. Everybody, thumbs up. Yes. Clap your hands. Okay, that's like my good children. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you some instructions about online classes. Now, the first instruction is regularly you need to watch the online classes. Don't miss out the classes. If you miss out the classes, children, you miss out so many things, okay? So, regularly you need to watch the online classes. The second thing is, don't roam around while the online classes are going on. Okay? The third thing is, if you get any doubts, you can call to your respective teachers and you can clarify your doubts. Okay? Oh, you all follow this. Now, you may be thinking, what ma'am is going to teach us today? Yes? You are thinking? Yeah. Today, I'm going to teach you a story. Okay? You all love to listen to the stories, no children? Yes? Okay, now, before I start the story, let me tell you who come in the story. ಈ ಕಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ? Yes. Now, here comes a mouse named Blackie. Blackie. Here comes a cat, Brownie. Brownie. Then, here comes one more friend. Shall I show you? You want to see? Yeah, Pinku. Pinku, the rabbit. Pinku, you want to talk to my kids? Okay. Say hi to my kids. Hi. How are you, children? They are fine, Pinku. How are you? I'm fine. Even Pinku is also fine, children. Okay. Then this is a basket which contains corns. Okay. Now, shall I start the story? ಈಗ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ಹೇಳ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. You need to listen to this very carefully. Okay. Now, one day, this mouse felt very hungry. It went in search of food. It searched everywhere. Then, at last, it saw a basket which contains lot of corns. Okay, then the mouse felt very happy. It made a hole and it squeezed inside the basket. Okay, ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಮೌಸ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸುವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸುವಿಂದ ಆಹಾರನ ಹುಡುಕೋಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿತು. ಕಾರ್ನ್ಸ್ ನ ನೋಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ನ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. Then after going into the basket, no children, the mouse ate lot of corns. It ate lot of corns and the stomach is full now. Okay, then after eating the corns, the mouse tried to go out of the basket, but it was unable to go out of the basket. Why? You know the reason? I will tell you the reason later. Okay, it tried, children, but it failed to go out of the basket. Then it started crying. I'm unable to go out of the basket. It started crying. Then a rabbit saw this. Okay. Then rabbit came near the basket and asked, "Why are you crying, my friend? Why are you crying, my friend? What happened to you?" Then the mouse explained, "I made a hole and I came into the basket. I ate a lot of corns. Now I'm unable to go out of the basket." Then the rabbit replied to the mouse, "You ate lot of corns and your stomach is full. Yes, your stomach size is bigger now. So, my friend, you need to wait till your tummy shrinks. ನಿನ್ನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದ ತನಕ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾಳೆ ನೀನು ಹೋಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತೆ." Then it told to the mouse and it went away. Then children, the mouse slept in the basket itself. Mouse basket alli malkonbidutte. Then the next day, again the mouse saw the corns in the basket and this mouse again started eating lot of corns. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾರ್ನ್ಸ್ ನ ನೋಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾರ್ನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Then it started eating lot of corns. Again, the tummy of the mouse became bigger. ಕಾರ್ನ್ಸ್ ನ ತಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಯ್ತು. Then later it flashed to the mouse. Oh, I need to go to the basket. Then the mouse tried to go to the basket, but it failed again. Why it failed again? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ? ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ದಪ್ಪ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ತೂತದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, it tried, but it failed again. Then the mouse told to himself, okay, today I sleep in the basket itself. Then the mouse slept in the basket. Then a cat passing by saw the mouse in the basket. Oh, today I got a nice food to eat. Then this cat jumped into the basket, children. It killed the mouse and it ate it. Okay, the poor mouse is killed by the rat. Sorry, by the cat. Now, tell me, what's the moral of the story? Can you guess the moral of the story? Yeah? You guessed it right, children. Yeah. Don't be greedy. Yes, because of the greediness, the mouse was killed by the cat. Yes or no? First day, it ate lot of corns. Okay, it was unable to go to the basket. Second day also, it did the same mistake. It ate lot of corns and it was unable to go to the basket. And at last, what happened? The mouse was killed by the cat. The poor mouse, no? So, you should not be greedy, children. Okay. ಕತೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. Shall I ask you the questions? Yeah, you need to answer me. Now, who is this? Who is this? Tell me. Yeah? Yeah, I can hear you. Yes, tell me. Yeah, this is a mouse. Yes. What's the name of the mouse? Blackie? Yes, Blackie. Now, who is this? Cat? Yes. What's the name of the cat? Brownie. Yes, you guessed it right. Now, who is this? Your favorite friend, no? Rabbit. Yes. What's the name of the rabbit? Pinku. What's the name of the rabbit? Pinku. Yes. Then, now tell me, what's the favorite food of the cat? Excuse me. What's the favorite food of the cat? Mouse. Yes, mouse. What's the favorite food of the rabbit? Shall I show you the favorite food of the rabbit? Carrots. Carrots are the favorite food of the rabbit. It's eating. Yes. Then I show you the corns which were in the basket. These are the corns. What are these? Corns. Joda. Yes. ಕತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? Yes. Now you need to wait for tomorrow's session also. ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. Tomorrow I am going to tell you lot more things, okay, and I'm going to show you lot more things, okay. Hope you all enjoyed today's session. ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಖುಷಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಾಳೆನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಸ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, tomorrow also you need to sit for the online classes and you need to learn what your teachers are going to teach. Okay? All enjoyed today's session, children? Yeah? Again, clap your hands. Smile. Everybody, smile. Okay. Bye, children. Take care of yourself. Namaste. Bye.